smiling makes me so happy. If you're happy, I'm happy too.
Hello guys, my name is Kat and welcome to another video. So in today's video, I have here a big package. In this big package, I have my Blue Paradise albums. So I have the two versions and also the digipacks, and this is not only mine, it's also my friends. Anyways, let's unbox this together. Okay, so it's very well packaged. I forgot to say, but I entered Indigo with the same gum that I always do for zb1, and I already know my pulls, so I'm just gonna show you very fast the photo book and everything because I did not watch a single unboxing for this, which is surprising. But anyways, so here I think it's the thank you notes, and as you can see it says my username right here. So this is my part and this is my friend's. So my friend collects How and Hanbin, but I won't show her stuff for privacy reasons, so let's keep them in the box and unbox my part. So as I said, I do have both photo books, and I only ordered a Ricky and Matthew digipack this time, but I did order the inclusions and also the POBs for Gilvin, since he is also someone that I collect. So this time you will only see me unboxing the Ricky and Matthew digipacks instead of 3 digipacks. I wish I could get his digipack though, because these digipacks were so pretty. I literally need to get his digipack somewhere else. These are the photo books and these are the digipacks. So I will start with the photo books as I always do. As I said, I did not watch a single unboxing of these, so this is my first impression of everything, and I'm just telling you, these are some nice albums. Like, I love the details and everything. I think these are so pretty. So this is the front. The spine doesn't have anything, and this is the back. I think this is an out cover as the Cinema Paradise ones, and yes, I was right. Oh, the back looks so pretty. Wait, the back looks amazing. What the hell, this is such a pretty album. I can't wait to see the photos and everything. Honestly, I didn't even pay attention to like the concepts because I was super busy when this album dropped, but I did stream, guys, so don't worry. And I also don't know which one is the Seek version and which one is the Hide version. As always, I'm lost. But I think this is the Hide and this is the Seek. I don't know, we'll see by the concept. So let's start with this one first, since I already show you how everything looks like. So I will take all of the inclusions off. I don't even know what type of inclusions comes in the album, but I will try to take all of the inclusions off and then show you everything. I think I will also take this out cover so it's easier to like flip through the pages. So I will do a quick flip through as I always do, so let's get started. Okay, so I think this is the Hide version, and it's starting good because I do have a problem with the You Had Me and Hello albums. Like, I cannot forget what they did to Given, also Hanbin, but I love how they are starting to do something right and then like put this in age order, and also the quality of the pages, since You Had Me and Hello album had like some glossy pages and then the other ones were not glossy, and they were like in the middle of the glossy pages, but this photo book is all glossy. And I really love these photos. They look so like ethereal, such an angels. Oh, I love Ricky in white. I think white is definitely his color, like black and white. It suits him so well. Oh, this photo of Kevin is so pretty. I love the piercing right here. All of them look stunning, by the way. I know I didn't talk much, but they look so good. I love this concept and also the photo book. And speaking about the songs, like, I don't know which one is your favorite, but this album was a difficult one, especially because of like the unit songs. I literally loved like every song. I can't even choose one. I think one of my favorites needs to be Cruel or Devil Game. I don't know, but I love all of them. So these are the inclusions for the hide version. So here we have all of the photo cards, but I will put this aside so we can look at the other stuff. In here I think it's where the CD is, and the CD is also stunning. Like, I think all of zb1 CDs are so pretty. I don't know what this is. It's a special mission. I honestly don't know what this... Oh, it's a board game. Wait. This is so fun. What the hell? Oh, I think this was when they were doing the promotions, but unfortunately it's literally May right now. I only received this in May because of this being part of a go. So I guess I was super late to the game. Anyways, this is a poster, I think. I'm gonna show you the back first and the front. I usually love sideways posters, but I love when they are like up close. This is also a very beautiful poster, but I don't like when they are like far away and stuff. But anyways, super pretty. And I also don't know what this is, but I think it's all of the other inclusions that are not the photo cards. Okay, I don't know what this is. These are special missions from Matthew and Ricky. This is the back. I don't know, maybe Ricky's saying for us to like stream Step Back, that is his unit song, 1,000 times. And then something in Korean and You're Amazing. Oh, this is points, I think. 5 points and then 100 points. And this is a hidden message from Matthew. I already know it's from Matthew because my mom did put this here, but I don't know if I want to scratch the message. I might not even scratch this. Let's just stay like it is, but anyways. And we have... Oh, I think this is by units. Wait. I'm excited. Look at him, and then he can stand. Wait, he needs to stand, right? Amazing. The best thing ever. I'm definitely gonna put this in my shelf, but until then, I will keep him here. And here we have the photo cards. So We do have some POVs, as you can see. We have Ricky POV. It's a bunny POV. I think this is one of my favorite POVs from this era. Okay, the back doesn't match the photo card, but anyways. Oh, and also this is from Makestar. I love all of like these whole sets. I wish I could have money to like purchase all of them. And here we have one unit photo cards. This one is different from like the selfie photo cards because the selfie photo card is glossy, but then the unit one is not glossy at all. Since I know like all of my pulls, I already purchased like the rest of the photo cards I'm missing, so you will definitely get a Blue Paradise haul. But anyways, this is the unit: Garnock, Ricky, and Eugene. And this is my pool. We have Matthew, so pretty, so cute. Oh, what it says here? Catch me if you can. Okay, Matthew. And these are my pulls for the hide version, and this is the seek version. I also love this album. It's so cute. So this is the front. The spine doesn't have anything, and this is the back. This is also an out cover, and it's like transparent. I think this photo book is so naked compared to the other one. Like the other one is so pretty, but then this one is just like pure white. But I understand since this is like transparent. I will take everything out and then do a quick flip through. Ooh, what the hell is this? I also like this concept a lot since it's a dark concept. I wish they had more concepts like this. I already talked about the digipacks from Cinema Paradise. I think they were one of my favorites because of the concept of the digipack, and I wish zb1 did some more like dark concepts like this or scary concepts, because I really love it. I think they suit every like concept. I don't even know how to explain, but I think they are like amazing in every concept. I just don't like this hair on Matthew a lot. I don't know why, but he looks pretty as always, but I don't like it as much. And I love like the feeling of the pages in this photo book. They are not glossy, but they are also not like, I don't know the word in English, but anyways, I will put it here somewhere. But like the pages are super thick. I think this photo book has a lot of quality. And what is this? Like, hello. He looks so pretty. Oh my fucking god. I guess Ricky really loved this concept. Garnock also suits this concept so much. Like, look at him. Like, what the hell? He is so pretty in this. Eugene, besides he's not a teenager anymore, but he is a teenager. He's not a minor, at least not in Portugal anymore, but he also looks super good in this concept. Oh, I did not know they did like these neon concepts. I only like knew about the concept in the forest, but this also looks so good. I wish Jung had like an eyebrow piercing right here or something. I think it will look amazing. Like, Matthew has a lip piercing, so why can't you have like an eyebrow piercing? And also today he looks fire. Ricky, I can even like say he doesn't look fire because he always looks fire. Yuvan actually looks like a baby in this concept. I don't know if you agree with me, but like he looks like a baby. And then we have Konok and Yujin that are no babies at all. And also all of these outfits, I'm pretty sure they did a devil game performance with them, and they are like fire. I don't know, I don't have any other vocabulary, but they look simply fire. And here we have the inclusions for the Sikh version. I don't know what this is though. Like, all of this? What the hell is this? I had such a spontaneous reaction when I saw this. Like, I generally don't know what it is. But anyways, this is the CD. Also super pretty. This is the poster, I'm pretty sure. And I love the quality of this poster. I can show you the poster like this because it won't fit in the frame, but anyways, this is how it looks like. And this is the poster. I'm sorry for you to tilt in your head right now, but this is how everything looks like. And I love this poster. I just wish there's more light or something because we can barely see the outfits. Besides how, of course, but I loved how this poster turned out. And let's try to like know what this is. I hope we have an answer inside of here. Oh, we have, what the hell is this? Wait, what is this? This is like some type of glasses or something, but am I supposed to see something? Like, I don't think so. What is this? I'm genuinely confused. So here we have some stickers. We have Hao, Kyuvin, and Jiyoung. And we have a unit photo postcard. And I still don't know what this is. I genuinely don't know. I wish I knew though. What am I supposed to see? Like, I'm so lost. It's turning kind of dark right now, so you will see my reflection because I turn on my lights. But anyways, I hope this doesn't bother you enough. But let's start by showing you my other POV. So this is Matthew, the same bunny one as Ricky. Oh, and I do have Given. I'm so happy I have all 3 photo cards of this. I genuinely love these photo cards. And this is my pool. So we have Given again for the album photo cards. And last but not least, we have the digipacks. So I will start with Matthew, because why not? And I think these are like the prettiest digipacks ever. I don't even know how to explain, but they are so pretty. Oh. Look at Matthew, what the hell? This is so pretty. I love these digipacks. I really want to get the Given one right now. I love this concept so much. And I think all of the photo cards are in here. So let's be careful. So I'll look at the digipack here because of how pretty he is. But anyways, we have like a mini poster. This is the back, and this is the front. And I love Matthew with freckles, and one of the freckles is a heart. I love this photo so much. I don't even know how to explain, but I love it. So this is the photo book. He looks super cute. What the hell? I love this concept. I'm super glad I did join for the digipacks. I think this is one of the things that I was like waiting for the most. They look so cute. I might actually start crying. Like, what the hell is this? Why is he so cute? Why is this photos like swaying? Just why? Why? My chivas, my zb1. I love this so much. It's so cute. This is where all of the other inclusions came in. Cute. I love this. I think this is a sticker. Like, look at this. It's literally like a band-aid. It's so cute. I love it. And I think this is a message. I think this is from Matthew. Yeah, Sock Matthew. Oh, I think he is asking for us to make eye contact with him for 30 seconds. Super cute. And this is like a mini poster. Tired, time to give you your daily hug. Oh my god, Matthew, thank you. I'm definitely tired today. Like, unboxing this made my day better. Oh oh my god, I can't believe I have also given, like, I did bought his inclusions though. I think I mentioned this. So I think, oh, his inclusions are also in this album, in this digipack. I think half of it is in here and then the other half is in my Reiki digipack. But anyways, this is the POB that the digipack came with. I think it's also one of my favorite like POBs, and I will have also Ricky and Gyuvin, so I'll have the 3 POBs of each, like the bunny ones and also this bearhead ones. So these are my pulls for the digipack. As I said, I don't like Matthew with this hair, but I think it's cute regardless, and I love this photo card. I think it's one of my favorites. And these are the bags, and this is one of my Gyuvin pulls. I also think this is the digipack that came with most stuff. Like, it came with so many inclusions. Like, I loved it. And now, last but not least, we have my Ricky digipack. I also love Ricky in this concept. I think like every color suits him, honestly. I said white, but now I think pink is one of the best colors. Like, I don't know, I just think he's perfect, honestly. Like, look at him. Here we have Ricky's poster. Luckily, my gum was lucky enough to give us all inclusions of our biases, so I won't have to like trade or anything. But anyways, this is the photo book. Also super pretty, like come on. He looks so pretty. Like, I think I don't have any other words to describe how much I love him, and also the other boys. And he is not only pretty, of course, look at him, he's gorgeous, but he is so talented. I love him so much. Ooh, the tattoo. Okay, okay. I think this is hilarious how he poses, like he's looking there, but then, whoop, he's looking at the camera. Slightly moving, but he looks so pretty in all of the photos. I wish he had more photos with like candy and stuff, but his face just does everything to me. Like the digipack is already perfect just because it has like his face on it. So here we have all of the other inclusions. We also have the Ricky band-aid thing. I think this is one of my favorite inclusions of the album, especially because the album is based on Dr. Doctor's MV. This is Ricky's message, but I honestly don't know what it says. It just says zerose and then something. I don't know. If I have the patience, I will translate this and then let you know. But if I don't, like, I'm sorry, but anyways. And here we have like the mini poster or postcard, I don't know. And here we have all of the other photo cards. So I was right when I said that all of my other given photo cards are in here. Oh, and the POB. Oh my god, wait. I will show you Ricky's first. So this is Ricky with the bear head. He also looks super pretty, and I'm so glad he has the hat on his head, because there's another POV where Ricky is like with the Hello Kitty hat, and he is literally like showing the Hello Kitty hat on his hand and not on his head. So anyways, I'm glad he has the bear heads at least in this one. And these are my pulls for the digipack. Super pretty. I love this photo card in every single one of them. I think he is so pretty. Where are you? I'm here, Ricky. I'll find you. Okay, please come to Portugal and find me, please. I beg you. Anyways, and this is the given POB, also one of my favorites. I love it so much. And this is the last pull for given. As I said, I love this concept of all of the photo cards. And I did open this package, so we have a few freebies. We have some Pokemon cards and some stickers. This sticker is new, by the way. I think he's so cute, and there's 2 of each because of me and my friend. And we also have these 2 cute stickers. I love the sticker so much. I think I'm gonna keep it. And this is the thank you card. It's how so pretty. And this is the username of the gum. If you don't follow her, please go and follow her. She is amazing. The next thing we have here is the keycap album. So I don't have any photo cards in here. I only have photo cards in my binder, but I will show them in the end. So this is the keycap album. He is really small and very light. Like, I can't even explain to you how light this is. But anyways, it doesn't have any photo book or any CD or anything. This is basically what we call a digital album, but this is the keycap album, and that's because we have keycaps, so you can use these keycap things for your computer or use it in the keychain that they gave you. So this is a star keychain. It's super cute. Honestly, I think I'm gonna use this a lot. And here you have the place to put the keycap. So you have the zb1 keycap. You put it like this. It makes a super satisfying sound. And yeah, that's basically it. And then you can take this off and just use any of this. So I will try to show them in detail for you. This one is Hanbin. This one is Jiyoung's. This one is Hao. This one is Matthew's. This one is Tere. This one is Ricky's. Kyuvan, Gornong, and Yejin. And here we have a little box where all of the photo cards came in, but as I told you, I don't have the photo cards here because they are in my binder already. But you have like a card where you have a QR code to the songs and also the credits and everything, as you can see. And I will show you the photo cards next. But basically, this is what it comes in the box. It comes with this little box with the QR code to the songs, an OT9 set, and 2 random photo cards, one selfie and then the other one with the hand, and all of these keycaps, the zb1 keycap and this one that is a little keychain. And that's basically everything that comes in the keycap album. So these are the photo cards for the keycap, and as I said, these are the OT9 sets and they are already sleeved, but I think you can actually see how they look like. And they are all concept photos, but they are so beautiful. I'm super glad I bought this album because now it's super difficult to find like these selfie photo cards for all of my other biases. And I did enter in a go for these, so I did have like Ricky as my pool twice, so for the selfie and then the hand. But anyways, I still need to find Matthew and Gyuvin for the selfie and hand photo cards. And I think those are the only thing I'm missing for my album photo cards. And these are the bags. He doesn't have any signature or anything, so they all look like this, but then obviously the name changes for every member. These are my pulls for the keycap. So this one is Ricky's with the little keycap thing, and this is the bag. I love the bag for these. And this one is the hand photo card. I don't really like how it says Blue Paradise here, but anyways, it's only a hand photo card, so I think it's alright. And this one is also Ricky's. So these were my pulls and the OT9 sets. And here we have what they call the zerose version. I love this cover so much, but honestly I think this is one of the worst like packagings ever because he is open everywhere. As you can see, he is only sealed here and on the side, but if like I do something, it literally just comes off everything. And I know this is an album to stay on my shelf and stuff, but I don't know, I just think that when I'm moving things around, this always like mess ups everything. But anyways, this is the CD. This one does come with the CD. And we have some little inclusions. So we have a mini postcards or mini poster of How. This one was my pull. A mini poster of Tere. And we also have these 2 random stickers. So I got Devil Game and this one. I think this is one of the prettiest stickers ever. And here we have a mini photo book. So all of them have this on the back or the songs. So let's start with Hanbin. And that's it for the zerose version. It also comes with photo card, but I will show the photo card in a second. And this was my pull for the zerose version. So I will take this out of the sleeve because it's a holographic sleeve, so you can see better. But this was my pull, and I did know my pull was gonna be Ricky, even though I didn't even bought this, I mean the zerose version in a go. I did bought this on Vinted from someone, and I just think this is funny, thinking about you 7 days a week. Ricky is like doing a cosplay of Jungkook or something. But anyways, this is how everything looks like. And this is the end of the video, so I hope you liked the unboxing. And also, Blue Paradise was an amazing era. Please comment down below your favorite song and what you thought about the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. That will help me a lot. So yeah, that's it, and until the next video, bye bye!